This is a short unboxing and setup video for a green screen that I got from LimoStudio. The green screen backdrop is 10 by 10 feet and it comes with a frame that can go up to 8.5 feet tall and 10 feet wide. LimoStudio sells quite a few different options for green screens as far as sizes and components, different things that come with it. This set that I got included not only the green screen backdrop but also a white and black one as well, which I thought would be especially nice for other video and photo projects. My set came with a carry bag for the parts from the stand, 2 clamps, and of course a small instruction manual. So the carry bag is pretty nice. It doesn't actually close or zip all the way closed, but it velcros together pretty nicely, and it includes 3 small pouches for the various parts from the stand. I set this up in my basement and everything was really easy to do. I did refer to the instruction manual just a little bit to make sure I was doing it properly, but nothing too difficult at all. However, I would recommend keeping it in its lowest setting for when you first set it up. It makes it a little bit easier. The parts for the top bar are labeled and the instruction manual guides you which ones connect to which other piece. When I connected the pieces for the top bar, I found them to be a little tight or snug to put together, which I was a little bit concerned about at first, but then I realized that that's actually a really good thing and shows that it's high quality, so that when everything gets put together and you have the backdrop on it, the bar itself stays nice and straight and does not sag. I did get a little bit of help from my wife in setting this up, but I later realized that if I had left the stand down in the lowest position, that it would have been a lot easier to do just as a one-person job. Here's a few photos of everything once I got it set up. So far I've been really happy with this green screen set, especially with the quality and how well the parts fit together. And I'd recommend this or a similar set from LimoStudio to anyone looking for something similar. I've included links in the description for where you can find this set or others like it from LimoStudio. Some of them include studio lighting or just other sizes and options. If you're looking for a green screen set, I'd recommend that you check out LimoStudio.